Welcome to my channel. Cleverfy shower steamers aromatherapy is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Sensational! This 6-pack of shower melts features the sublime scents of 1x watermelon, 1x grapefruit, 1x menthol and eucalyptus, 1x peony and pear, 1x cacao and orange, and 1x lemongrass and coconut. Select one and spoil yourself. The greatest gift. Need some unique ideas for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers for women, or perhaps just birthday gifts for women and men in your life? Our shower soothers are made for every occasion. Superior self-care. Our shower steamers are made cruelty-free with essential oils and natural fragrances and offer pleasantly strong scents. Enjoy the benefits of an aromatherapy spa from home. Mind and body, a home spa experience like no other. Our shower tablets help unwind and relax in the evenings and kickstart the day with great mood and energy. Say hello to restful sleep and energized mornings. Home spa, enjoy daily serenity as you shower the stress away. Place one of your shower fizzes in the corner of your shower and do not submerge it. Breathe slowly and deeply and enjoy the moment. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.